Hello dear subscribers, they will tell us how to add the language to your window. So for doing that you just need to open the settings. After you just need to open here you just need to open devices. Now you just need to choose typing, sorry, just write here language. Here you just need to tap on add language, so for example Ukrainian, and after you just need to tap on next, install. So now I just need to wait until it will load. And here you can also change language. Here you can see that we successfully add new language. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.